Living in pain is not fun, but there's hope. Listen to Sarah's story. I think you'll be impressed.
My name is Sarah and I live in Oakwood, Georgia. And I actually got a recommendation about Dr. Winter from a friend from church. And she had seen him and said that he worked wonders for her. And I didn't really know what I was looking for at the time. I just knew that I was in a lot of pain for various reasons, including foot pain, leg pain, sciatic nerve pain, hip pain, arm pain, elbow pain, you name it. I was having nerve pain and it was pretty intense. And I know my husband was tired of listening to me talk about it. So I knew that at some point I needed to go somewhere. I didn't necessarily want to go the traditional medicine route. I felt that neurology would have been the next step because I was just at a loss. My general practitioner didn't really know what was going on. But when my friend recommended Dr. Winter, I figured that I should just take a chance and see what was up with that. And turns out that he is working wonders. My pain has drastically decreased in every area that he's worked on so far. We haven't necessarily addressed all of the things, but even as he just works generally, I find that general pain is just decreasing everywhere in my body, which has been... Yes, arm pain was significant for me in a variety of ways because it would be sharp, it would be dull, it would be when I slept, it would be when I was awake, sitting down, moving, doing the things I normally did. There was no rhyme or reason to this. I would say that elbow pain was the most significant for me, and Dr. Winter is completely helping with that. Additionally, in my legs and feet, as well as my hands, I was dealing with temperature issues. I mean, hot, cold, I never knew it was coming. I would have to put on 2 pairs of socks when it was 85 degrees outside because my feet would be just so cold. So I was dealing with those types of things as well.
Wow, good. All right, so did you take any medication or anything for any of that?
I was taking ibuprofen, just over-the-counter drugs for these types of things. I didn't really know what else to take. I would use essential oils sometimes and try to rub those on appendages to try to get some help with that.
Good job. How long has this been going on for?
This type of pain has been going on for about 6 months. So I was definitely desperate for some help because I could not imagine 6 more months of this. And like I said, I didn't want to necessarily go the traditional medicine route.
Right. So since we started, we've been with you 4 weeks, I think, 4 or 5 weeks now. Yep, all right, five weeks, yeah. So in 4 or 5 weeks we've been in there. So what success do you have now compared to, like, just say your arms since you started?
Yeah, I feel like I can actually get some rest. I think that would probably be the biggest thing for me because I was really struggling to sleep through the pain. I couldn't sleep with the temperature issues. With the pain in my elbow, I mean, I could not figure out a way to get situated so that I was able to rest at night, and that was obviously affecting my day-to-day activities because I was exhausted. Additionally, I'm able to start working out again a little bit more like I was able to beforehand, before all of this started. So I'm able to do weights, do some body weight movements, more intense exercises rather than just going on a walk or something like that, which is what I enjoy. I would say just give Dr. Winter and his staff a shot because even though it might seem different and something that's not as familiar, I think this has been great because I want to be a proponent of whole body health and not necessarily just popping a pill. So I think that's been the biggest thing for me, and it would be my encouragement to people to just do some research. And the reviews online were really fantastic, and he obviously has patients that are seeing success from what he's doing.
So if you've hurt long enough, call Dr. Winter at 770-536-6600.